We guide you through how to make GIF on Discord so you can create fun, animated moments to share. First thing you need to do is to open Discord and go to your profile or any chat where you want to upload a GIF. If you want to create a custom GIF from scratch, you'll need to use GIF Maker like GIPHY, EasyGIF, or Capwing. Upload your video clip or image, trim the length, adjust the speed, and export it as GIF file. Once your GIF is ready, save it to your computer or device. And now, open Discord, go to the channel or DM where you want to use it, and simply drag and drop the GIF or click the plus icon to upload it. If you have Discord Netro, you can upload animated profile pictures or turn your own uploaded GIFs into custom server emojis. After uploading, Discord will automatically animate it and let others react or download it. You can also add your GIF to favorites by clicking the little star so you can reuse it anytime. It's a quick way to bring more fun and personality to your messages.